Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you.
So what are we doing today? Swiping for gifts. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, for expensive gifts.
Yes, we are. No, I think it's a jacket, right?
Yeah.
So be on the lookout, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Luxury line. Let's try Ace. Way too loud. We don't need nobody to be hearing this. Come on. Guys, come on, let's go. Oh my god. Okay, why don't you just press it on? Oh. Go to 110. Oh, $5. Yeah, come on. Boom.
Oh, Trey, why did he come down?
Come on. Gas Express luxury line. Buffalo versus Emerald. Come on.
Why not?
Come on. Okay. It doesn't look good. Okay, let me try 375. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. A lot of noise. Come on. A lot of noise, but it didn't hit.
Just say no.
Come on. Come on, let's go. A lot of noise. See? You got the magic touch on this machine. You got the magic touch on this machine. Let's go. Come on.
Come on. Right.
Come on, let's
Right.
go.
My goodness, some big numbers. Well, that's more earlier.
Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Did you hear that coming? Come on, let's go.
Train.
Let's get it, train. Yeah, what are we major, dude? I think so. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Right.
Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Let's go 75 cents for the hell of it. Come on. Alright, let's put the money together and then let's take that out and then let's try $40 only. Okay, let's try this $40. Okay. Okay. Let's go 1 cent and 3.75. Come on, keep going. try this $5. Oh, you tried it already, so just go 160. Alright.